2. Today we have another 406 Peugeot. What actually happened on this guy is that after changing the crankshaft, the car failed to start again. So he just called me this morning to come and look at the see how this engine reacts. At least we hear the compressor before we are able to look at what exactly the problem is. Yeah. Hey, Tada! 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 Alright. At least you can hear how the engine reacts. So let's check if you have full delivery issues. What? Yeah. Okay. So let's take a sample of fuel to see how this fuel flow. Maybe we are having an issue from the fuel delivery. So let's take a sample of the fuel here. See how it flows. Hey. At least you can see that the fuel is flowing very effectively. So basically we are expecting ignition from one side and the other one is the injector port. So we have to open the ignition. Once we on the ignition, we should be able to have a straight 12 volt here. Yes, you can see we have a full light. Kasheka bude. One lead on the ground and the other one on the 12 volt. Kabude? Kashe? Yes, you can see we have a very good. So as you can see, this very socket look a little bit much. So if care is not taken, if you didn't actually recognize how it works, so you might mistakenly put one socket for another, which just happened here. So this one should go for the crank. You can see this wire look very green and the red, which are the color code of the crank sensor. So this one go for the knock sensor. So I'm very sure that once we place this very wire to the knock sensor, this car will start straight away, inshallah. So moment of the truth, inshallah, we should expect this car to start straight away. Let me quickly put the testing lamp so I will inspect how it works according to what we just tried. As soon as the car starts, this the two box should start blinking as well we test previously. Alhamdulillah, you can even hear the sound of the engine. Hey Tada! Alhamdulillah, you can see it's Tada! Tada!